Hi everyone, I'm Hema Priyadarshan Sampath Kumar. You can call me Hema. I'm one of the contestants for this Big Data for Social Good Challenge, which is conducted by the IBM and Hadoop. My topic of analysis is the relationship between the monthly household income and crime rate in Chicago. The reason for choosing is I'm in my last semester of my master's degree. So once I graduate and get a job, so I have to move to a community. So I was very confused, like which community should I choose, as I'm very new to the US. So I was asking for suggestions from my friends and relatives. So they were suggesting me to choose a community which is near to my office location, so that my commuting will be easier. And they were telling me to choose a community where there is the monthly household income is less or average when compared to the national level. Because the crime rates will be less in those areas. Really, so I just took it up as a challenge, and I just chose the analysis of relationship between the monthly household income and crime rates in Chicago. As I took the Chicago data because it is readily available, and I took the data from this links. So sorry. So this is the crime rate from 2001 to present, and the social economic indicators, and the state and area income and poverty rates from the Census Bureau. I took a sample of 5 years from 2008 to 2012, and I loaded the data into IBM Bluemix. I just used the tools analytics for Hadoop services on IBM Bluemix, Big Sheets, Big SQL, and BigR, which are also a part of analytics for Hadoop services, and TableAU visualization tool. So the the homicide is considered as the most lethal crime, I just consider it as criteria for analysis, and as crime data is more reliable at the county level, I just took the Cook County data, and the methodology include load the data, just keep the necessary data and discard the unwanted data, and analyze and visualize the relationship between the crime data and crime and monthly household income, and perform advanced analytics using BigR. So accordingly I just did my analysis. The homicide data, I just took it, and then I got the year-wise crime count and the year-wise monthly median household income, and I just just gathered everything, and then try to find the relationship between them. So I got this chart using the Big Sheets, and I just some of the I created in order to find the relationship, I just tried to store the data using the big SQL, and then I was getting the information which I needed. So, and this is the relationship between the monthly household income and crime rates in Cook County. And I was doing the advanced analytics of in using the BigR. So I found that the R value is less than 0.8, which means that there is no much of relationship between the household income and crime rates. So my analysis results are since the R value is less than 0.8, there is a negative correlation between the median household income and crime rate. So that's my analysis, and I used my TableAU software to run this. Took a sample data of 2012, and then I just listed all the crime data. So here you can just go and click and then just check it. So here, since I took the homicide data, I'm just filtering using the filter here. And it is give me every community level number of records, primary records, and everything. And this chart just gives me the relationship between the crime count and the median household income year wise. So as a result, I was able to find that there is no much relationship between this monthly household income and crime rate. So just remember, when someone tells you that just choose a community for so and so reasons because the crime rate will be less, just go by the facts than by the words. So this is like just spending $100 or $200 extra doesn't cost much, but then your life worth more than that. And like you, me, or anyone else can also like like they can move to different communities over the period of time, like any number of times. So I think this analysis is very much helpful in determining like which community to choose a community to stay safe. So stay safe and live better. Have a good day. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice time. Bye bye.